This is the Umberto, and here is the angle of Via Etnea today, around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's like a river. Flows like a river. Wow. Look at that. This is Via Etnea today. That is the Villa Bellini. Little by little, just the one is too high. If you notice, this is now like a more than a river. Wow. All business was shut down. You see the people there until there. It's very dangerous. Oh. Wait a second. I'm standing here. Very fast water. Oh, oh, oh. Just like you see. Whoa. This is the heart center of Catania. We call it Via Etnea, where all big businesses was here, but now it looks like a big ocean at the center of the street. But that's what they said, the Italians, Meno male, is still the buses and even the small vehicles will pass, but until they're down,